We have given diameter d, and we have to find circumference and area of circle. So let's draw a circle. We know that diameter is 2r. So let me remind you formula for circumference. We have that c is equal pi times d. So this is equal pi times 7 inches. So this is equal, you can use calculator, pi times 7. So we now have to round to the nearest tenth, so will be 22 inches, and area of circle is pi times r square. We have given here diameter, and we know that diameter is equal to r. So our r will be 1/2 of d. So this is equal 1/2 of 7 inches, because d is 7 inches. So this is equal 3.5 inches. So this is equal, we have pi times 3.5 inches to second power. So this is equal, you can use calculator. We have 3.5 square times pi, so this is equal, and we have to round to the nearest tenth, so it will be 38.5, because the number after 4 is 8 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to 4. So we have 38.5 square inches. This is my solution.